Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Sunday. I hope everyone is doing well. So, as we all know that the Bridgerton season 2 is out on Netflix. So, Netflix invited 400 guests to come and join our queen, Miss Zozie Tunzi, in a Bridgerton affair. So, your influencers and the celebrities were there. Some really ate it up, they really understood the assignment and they went over and beyond and they delivered. But some people were dressed like they were at the summer awards, some dressed like they were told at last minute and they had nothing to wear. Execution was really not there. So angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu before we go forward. People were really not impressed by Zozi's dress, I think from Friday, because there's even a petition saying David Lale must really change the dress. Zozi must take back the dress. And I think she really looked good, but I know nothing about fashion. I know nothing about the Bridgerton. I'm not going to talk too much. I want you guys to let me know who you think your best and your worst dressed way in the comment section below. Mina Mphuma kanje, and I'm going to leave you guys with a slideshow of pictures and videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. My name is Mphela and I will see you next time. Bye.